For 100 years, one name has been the final word in automotive luxury. A handcrafted masterpiece on wheels. The undisputed king. But that era might be over. A new dynasty is rising from the east, and it's not just coming for the throne, it's building a completely new one. Today, we're looking at 5 Chinese cars that are challenging Rolls Royce, not just on price, but with forward-thinking technology and groundbreaking performance that makes old-school luxury feel, well, old. I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it, so stick around and make sure you're subscribed. For decades, the idea of a Chinese car rivaling a Rolls Royce would have been laughable. The peak of automotive luxury was European, period. It was all about heritage, hand-stitched leather, and the quiet rumble of a 12-cylinder engine. But the world is changing, and the new currency of luxury isn't just about wood veneers anymore. It's about silicon, computational power, and revolutionary battery tech that can make traditional cars feel like museum pieces. While Rolls-Royce has been busy perfecting a century-old formula, a new generation of Chinese automakers has been rewriting the rulebook. They aren't just building cars, they're creating intelligent, rolling platforms that redefine what a luxury vehicle can be. They're leveraging a dominant position in battery production and software development to create vehicles that legacy automakers are struggling to match feature for feature. So, we're going to look at 5 vehicles that prove this point. Each one takes on Rolls-Royce in a different arena and, in many ways, presents a compelling alternative. We'll examine the ultimate state limousine that challenges the Phantom on sheer presence, a tech-loaded SUV that can go for a swim, a hypercar that rewrites the laws of performance, and a new breed of electric luxury that offers more for less. This isn't about which car has the fancier badge. This is about which car is built for the modern world. Number 1. The ultimate challenger, Hongqi L5. All right. Let's start with a car that looks the Rolls-Royce Phantom dead in the eye. This is the Hongqi L5. To understand this car, you have to understand its name. Hongqi means red flag, and since the 1950s, this brand has been a provider of state limousines for the highest ranks of the Chinese government. This isn't just a car, it's a symbol of national pride and power. For decades, seeing one on the road meant you were looking at a vehicle carrying someone of immense importance. Now, a new generation is available, and it puts the Phantom directly in its crosshairs. Let's talk scale. A Rolls-Royce Phantom Extended is huge, but the new Hongqi L5 is on another level, at nearly 6 meters long and weighing around 3,150 kilograms, nearly 7,000 pounds, giving it an immense, unshakable road presence. The design is a masterclass in blending tradition with authority. The front is dominated by a gigantic, chrome-plated rectangular grille and iconic round headlights that are a direct homage to classic Hongqi state limousines. It's not elegant like a Rolls-Royce, it's imposing, formal, and completely unapologetic. The upright, lantern-like taillights and the red flag emblem rising from the hood are all designed to project one thing: importance. But it's the interior where the L5 truly makes its case. While Rolls-Royce offers you wood and leather, Hongqi offers a piece of Chinese culture. The cabin is a sanctuary of bespoke materials you won't find in many other cars, with panels that can be inlaid with real jade, intricate lacquerwork inspired by ancient palaces, and optional silk embroidery. The rear compartment is a vast ceremonial space with 2 individual armchairs that recline almost fully, offering limo-like legroom. Unlike a Rolls-Royce, which has slowly integrated screens, the L5 has gone for a tech meets tradition approach. The dashboard features a stunning combination of 3 massive digital displays, but they're integrated into a formal design that doesn't feel out of place. There are still plenty of beautifully crafted physical buttons. A tactile pleasure often lost in modern cars. Under the hood, you won't find an electric motor. The new L5 is powered by a 4.0-litre turbocharged V8, producing around 382 horsepower. That might not sound like a lot for a car this heavy, but this engine is designed for silent, effortless torque. The kind of power that glides you away from a standstill without spilling your champagne. It has a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour, about 137 miles per hour, which is more than enough for its purpose. So where does it challenge the Phantom? On price? Not at all. The new Hongqi L5 is reported to start from over $1 million, making it even more expensive and exclusive. It competes on cultural significance. A Rolls Royce is a symbol of personal wealth. The Hongqi L5 is a symbol of national power. It offers a level of bespoke craftsmanship rooted in thousands of years of artistic tradition, using materials that most Western automakers don't. It's a statement that the ultimate expression of automotive authority no longer comes only from England. Number 2, the tech marvel, Yangwang U8. If the Hongqi L5 is the master of tradition, our next car is the absolute master of technology. This is the BYD Yangwang U8, and it's less of a car and more of an all-terrain supercomputer. It makes a Rolls Royce Cullinan look about as technologically current as a horse and carriage. Let's start with the powertrain. The U8 is a range extender EV with some insane numbers. It has 4 independent electric motors, one for each wheel, that combine to produce a staggering 1,180 horsepower. This 3.5-ton behemoth can launch from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds. That's hypercar acceleration in a vehicle the size of a small apartment. Because each wheel has its own motor, the U8 can do things no other production SUV can, like a 360-degree tank turn on the spot. But that's just the beginning. The U8 is equipped with the D-SUS P intelligent hydraulic body control system. This isn't just a simple air suspension, it's a fully active hydraulic system that can control each corner of the vehicle independently with lightning speed. It keeps the body perfectly flat during hard cornering, acceleration, or braking. Forget body roll. This massive SUV stays as level as a billiard table. And then we get to the feature that broke the internet: emergency flotation mode. This is not a gimmick. If the vehicle's 38 sensors detect that you've driven into deep water, the U8 can trigger its emergency floating capability. The engine shuts down, the suspension lifts to its maximum height, the windows close, and the AC switches to recirculation to help seal the cabin. The sunroof even opens to provide an emergency escape route. The vehicle is waterproofed to an IP68 level and can stay afloat for up to 30 minutes, using its wheels to propel itself forward at 3 kilometers per hour, about 1.8 miles per hour, to navigate to safety. The interior is just as futuristic, with a 23.6-inch instrument panel for the driver, a 12.8-inch curved OLED central touchscreen, and another 23.6-inch screen for the front passenger. It's all surrounded by Napa leather, Sapel wood, and a 22-speaker Dynaudio sound system. The U8, priced at the equivalent of around $150,000 in China, completely redefines what a luxury SUV can be. The Rolls Royce Cullinan is luxurious, yes, but the Yangwang U8 is a technological powerhouse that offers capabilities that others just don't. It has more power, more advanced suspension, and features like flotation mode that feel like they're from 20 years in the future. Number 3, the performance beast, Yangwang U9. Rolls-Royce has never really been about outright performance. It's about adequate power, delivered in serene silence. But what if the ultimate luxury is performance? For that, we have this, the Yangwang U9. The U9 is BYD's pure electric hypercar. and it exists to make almost everything else look slow. The standard version packs nearly 1,300 horsepower and can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.36 seconds.
1,300 horsepower. It can do 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in around 2 seconds.
But that's not the whole story. The recently unveiled U9 Extreme Edition is an entirely different beast, with 4 electric motors producing a combined output of nearly 3,000 horsepower. This car has officially shattered records. In September 2025, it achieved a verified top speed of 308.4 miles per hour, 496.22 kilometers per hour, at a German test track, making it the world's fastest production car and beating the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. The U9 sits on a pioneering 1200-volt electrical architecture, which allows for incredibly efficient power delivery and ultra-fast charging. However, the U9's most mind-bending technology is its suspension. It features the fully active Disus X intelligent body control system, which combines hydraulic control, air suspension, and variable damping. This is the system that allows the U9 to do things that seem to defy gravity. BYD has shown the car literally jumping all 4 wheels off the ground and driving on just 3 wheels at speed. While these are mostly demonstrations, they prove a level of chassis control that is simply unparalleled, designed to provide ultimate stability on the track. A Rolls Royce provides luxury through isolation and comfort. The Yangwang U9, which costs the equivalent of around $236,000 in China for the standard version, provides luxury through absolute domination. It is a rolling testament to what's possible when a company has mastery over every aspect of electric vehicle technology. Number 4. The design wildcard. Hongqi EAHS9. While the Yangwang models assault Rolls-Royce with tech, our next car attacks on a different front: visual presence and value. This is the Hongqi EHS9, and if there was ever a vehicle to be nicknamed the Cullinan of the East, this is it. The EHS9 is a full-size, all-electric luxury SUV, and its primary mission is to be seen. It's enormous and shamelessly opulent. The design is dominated by that signature Hongqi waterfall grille, flanked by slim LED headlights and a red flag trim piece running down the center of the hood. It's a design guaranteed to have people stopping and staring. It's available in a striking 2-tone paint scheme, a classic Rolls-Royce hallmark, further cementing its intention to compete in the ultra-luxury space. The sheer scale of the vehicle gives it a presence that easily rivals the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Inside, the EHS9 is a palace on wheels. It's offered in several configurations, including an ultra-luxurious 6-seat layout with 2 captain's chairs in the middle row. These seats are heated, cooled, and offer massage functions, providing a first-class travel experience. The dashboard is a near unbroken wall of screens, with a digital instrument cluster, a central infotainment display, and a dedicated screen for the front passenger. Performance is handled by a dual-motor, all-wheel drive electric powertrain. In its top configuration, it produces a healthy 551 horsepower, enough to move this large SUV with the silent, effortless torque that defines electric luxury. This is where the EHS9 delivers its knockout blow. While a Rolls-Royce Cullinan will set you back $500,000 or more, the Hongqi EHS9 sells for around €60,000 to €80,000 in many European markets. For that price, you are getting a vehicle with comparable presence, a more tech-forward interior, and a list of luxury features that rival a car costing 4 or 5 times as much. It fundamentally challenges the value proposition of traditional luxury. Is a hand-polished hood ornament really worth an extra $300,000? Number 5. The future of luxury, Zeekr. Our final entry isn't just one car, but an entire brand that represents the terrifying speed of Chinese automotive innovation. Zeekr is the premium electric brand from Geely, the same giant that owns Volvo and Polestar, and it's a perfect case study in how China is leapfrogging the old guard. Let's first look at the Zeekr 009. It's technically an MPV, but calling it that is like calling a super yacht a boat. It's a six-figure luxury lounge on wheels, designed for the ultimate chauffeured experience. Inside, the 009 is a tech-laden sanctuary. The second row features two enormous Napa leather-clad captain's chairs that are heated, cooled, and have massage functions. A 17-inch OLED screen folds down from the ceiling, and the cabin is bathed in sound from a multi-speaker Yamaha audio system. Despite weighing nearly 3 tons, its dual-motor setup rockets it to 100 kilometers per hour in a supercar-like 4.5 seconds. But Zeekr's ambition doesn't stop there. The brand has also unleashed the Zeekr 001 FR, a high-performance shooting brake with a quad-motor setup that delivers an astonishing 1,265 horsepower. It's one of the most powerful EVs on the planet, capable of a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of about 2.1 seconds. The brand is even launching a new flagship SUV, the Zeekr 9X, a plug-in hybrid designed to be a benchmark for new energy luxury SUVs, with powertrains expected to offer up to 1,381 horsepower. What makes Zeekr so dangerous to brands like Rolls Royce is the speed and synergy of their development. They leverage Volvo's safety engineering and their own rapid innovation in EV technology to launch new, segment-defining models at a pace legacy automakers can only dream of. Zeekr and its parent group already have a presence in over 60 countries and regions, showing a massive appetite for this new breed of tech-focused luxury. So let's quickly recap. Against the Rolls Royce Phantom, a stately symbol of luxury, we have the Hongqi L5. It brings a unique layer of cultural significance and bespoke materials like jade that you just don't see from European brands, all with an even more exclusive price tag of around $1 million. Against the Rolls Royce Cullinan, we have the Yangwang U8. For a fraction of the price, the U8 offers over 1,100 horsepower, a futuristic suspension system, and the ability to literally float on water. Then there's the Yangwang U9 Sax. Its extreme version is now the fastest production car on the planet, showcasing a level of performance engineering that is world-beating. We have the Hongqi EHS9, which delivers the visual drama and interior space of a Cullinan in an all-electric package for about the price of a high-end BMW. And finally, we have Zeekr, a brand moving at lightning speed with the 009 MPV redefining personal luxury and performance models like the 001 FR and 9X, pushing the boundaries of what EVs and hybrids can do. For a century, Rolls-Royce has stood alone on the peak of Mount Luxury. The badge, the history, the commitment to handcrafted perfection. It was an untouchable combination. But the ground is shifting. The very definition of luxury is being rewritten. And it's being written in code, powered by lithium-ion and controlled by AI. While Rolls-Royce has mastered the art of building a palace on wheels, these Chinese challengers are building spaceships for the road. They argue that true modern luxury is no longer just about the softness of the leather or the grain of the wood. It's about the intelligence of the software, the revolutionary capability of the suspension, and the sheer overwhelming power of the electric drivetrain. The evidence is clear, but the debate is just beginning. What do you think? Is the era of traditional, handcrafted luxury coming to an end? Let me know which one of these cars you'd choose in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of automotive luxury, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next.